Hey everyone! Welcome back to Speak Easy English, the podcast where you learn to speak English naturally, confidently, and with a smile.
That's right. We're not here to teach you boring grammar rules or long lists of vocabulary. We're here to make English part of your real life.
And today's episode is one of my favorites. It's all about morning routines for English learners.
Yes, the morning, that magical time when your brain says, let's be productive, and your body says, let's sleep 5 more minutes.
That's so true. But you know what? How you start your morning can totally change your day and your English learning too.
Absolutely. So if you've ever thought, I want to learn English, but I don't know when to start, this episode is just for you.
Before we begin, a quick reminder. If you love learning English with real stories and friendly talks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Speak Easy English. That way, you'll never miss a new episode.
All right, Diana, let's start with a question. What's your morning like? Be honest.
Oh no, my real morning? Okay, I usually hit the snooze button twice, scroll through Instagram for 5 minutes, which becomes 15, and then panic because I'm late.
That sounds familiar. For me, mornings used to be chaos. I'd wake up late, rush to work, skip breakfast, and feel tired the whole day.
I think many listeners can relate. We all want to have a perfect morning routine, but somehow life just happens.
Exactly. But here's the thing. Having a simple, consistent morning routine doesn't have to be fancy. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. or meditate on a mountain.
Totally. Even small steps, like reading one English paragraph or saying 3 positive sentences, can make a huge difference.
And in this episode, we'll talk about how you can build a morning routine that helps your English grow.
We'll share real examples, funny stories, and practical tips you can use starting tomorrow morning.
So grab your coffee or tea, relax, and let's start this beautiful morning together.
Okay, so let's first answer this question. Why is the morning so important for learning English?
Because your brain is fresh. In the morning, your mind is calm, focused, and full of energy. It's like a blank page, ready to learn something new.
Totally. Even small steps, like reading one English paragraph or saying 3 positive sentences, can make a huge difference.
And in this episode, we'll talk about how you can build a morning routine that helps your English grow.
We'll share real examples, funny stories, and practical tips you can use starting tomorrow morning.
So grab your coffee or tea, relax, and let's start this beautiful morning together.
Okay, so let's first answer this question. Why is the morning so important for learning English?
Because your brain is fresh. In the morning, your mind is calm, focused, and full of energy. It's like a blank page, ready to learn something new.
Totally. Think about it. If you try to study English after a long, busy day, you're already tired. You'll probably say, I'll do it tomorrow, right?
Yes, and then tomorrow becomes next week.
But when you study in the morning, even for 10 minutes, it sets the tone for your entire day. You feel proud, like, hey, I already did something good for myself.
That's true. You know, when I started learning Spanish, I made a rule. No phone, no social media in the first 30 minutes after waking up. Instead, I'd listen to one Spanish podcast while making breakfast.
That's smart. So your brain was already in learning mode.
Yes, and it felt amazing because by 8 a.m., I had already learned something new before my day even began.
That's such a great idea. For our listeners, think about it. What if you listen to Speak Easy English while brushing your teeth or making your coffee? You'll learn new words and start your day with positive energy.
And remember, routines don't have to be complicated. Start small, maybe just 5 to 10 minutes of English every morning.
You can 1. Listen to a short English podcast. 2. Read one page from an English storybook. 3. Write 3 sentences in your English journal. 4. Or repeat new words aloud while looking in the mirror.
I love that.
Talking to yourself in English may sound funny, but it's super effective.
Yeah, I used to do that too. I'd say things like, "Good morning, Marcus. How are you today?"
That's adorable. But seriously, it works. It trains your brain to think in English naturally.
You know, when you make English part of your morning, it doesn't feel like study time. It feels like me time.
Beautifully said. Because morning routines aren't just about productivity, they're about peace, confidence, and self care.
Exactly. And that's why we say, build a morning English habit, not a morning English rule.
I love that. A habit feels easy and natural. A rule feels like pressure.
Right. And before we continue, a quick reminder, friends. If this episode is helping you, hit that subscribe button right now so you can join our growing community of English learners who start their day the right way.
Yes, we're so happy to have you here.
Now, let's talk about mindset, because your morning routine starts in your mind.
So true. If you wake up thinking, ugh, I hate mornings, your day will probably feel heavy.
But if you wake up thinking, this is my time to grow, suddenly everything feels lighter.
It's like switching from I have to learn English to I get to learn English. That small change in words changes your whole feeling.
100%. You know, I used to feel lazy in the mornings too. But one day I decided to create a morning playlist, songs that made me smile. I'd play it right after waking up, and suddenly I felt alive again.
Music is magic. For me, I put a sticky note on my mirror that said, speak one English sentence before breakfast. It sounds small, but it made a big difference.
That's a powerful micro habit. One small thing done daily.
Exactly, because motivation doesn't last forever, but small habits build discipline.
And discipline brings confidence. When you show up for yourself every morning, even for 10 minutes, you prove to yourself that you can trust you.
That's deep, Diana. I like that. You can trust you.
Yeah, and that's how you build not just English skills, but self-respect.
You know, many learners ask us, how do I stay consistent? And we always say, stop chasing motivation, start building small habits.
Exactly. You don't have to be perfect. Just be present.
And even if you miss one day, that's okay. Don't feel guilty. Just start again tomorrow.
Right. Every morning is a fresh start, a new chance to grow.
So if you're listening right now, maybe tomorrow morning, wake up 5 minutes earlier, sit with your tea, open your notebook, and write, today, I will speak English with confidence.
That's so beautiful, Marcus. And if you do that every day, imagine where you'll be in 6 months.
Fluent, confident, and proud.
And friends, before we go into the final section, make sure you've subscribed to Speak Easy English, because we've got so many more episodes coming to help you grow, smile, and speak confidently every day.
Yes, join our family of learners who believe that English learning can be fun and motivating. Okay, let's finish strong with some practical English morning tips. Easy things you can do every day.
Great. Tip number 1, start your day with English sounds. Listen to an English song, podcast, or even a 2-minute YouTube short. It activates your listening skills.
Tip number 2, use English for simple tasks. For example, read your toothpaste label, coffee packet, or phone notifications in English.
Tip number 3, speak out loud. When you say, good morning, or let's have breakfast, say it in English.
Tip number 4, journal in English. Write one thing you're grateful for every morning. Example, I'm grateful for my cup of tea.
Tip number 5, review your goals. Write a sentence like, I will learn 5 new words today.
See? None of these take more than 10 minutes, but they build a powerful mindset.
And you'll notice, when you start your day with English, you begin to think in English more naturally throughout the day.
Exactly. And before you know it, English won't be a subject anymore. It'll be a part of your life.
So let's quickly recap today's lesson. A simple morning routine can improve your focus and motivation. Start small. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Build habits, not pressure. Use music, journaling, and self-talk. And, most importantly, enjoy the process.
Beautiful summary. Friends, remember, learning English is not about perfection. It's about progress.
Yes, every morning is a new opportunity to take one more step toward your dream.
And we believe in you. If you're listening right now, you already have what it takes to become fluent.
So tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings, smile, stretch, and say out loud, "Good morning, world. Let's speak English today."
That's the spirit.
Thank you for joining us on Speak Easy English.
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English too.
Keep learning, stay positive, and remember, your morning shapes your day, and your mindset shapes your life.
Until next time, I'm Marcus,
And I'm Diana.
and this is Speak Easy English.
And this is Speak Easy English.